Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life, Juliet. And in today's video, it's cooking time again. And today, it's all about protein. Other people looking to build muscle mass may want to consume more protein. So today, I'm going to make a lechon belly. I bought this one for about a kilo. I'm going to start for the preparation and here in my small oven. So let's get started. The pork is high on protein. There is no doubt that meat provides protein, but so do beans, eggs, nuts, yogurt, and even broccoli. So if you're a vegetarian, you can add your protein into beans or eggs or nuts or yogurt. I eat this very sometimes, This year I eat last February because I love vegetable, I love fish, but sometimes we miss the pork. If you're not vegetarian, you really miss the pork. Eating protein doesn't have to mean eating meat. And there's growing evidence that replacing animal proteins with more plant-based proteins can benefit your health. So now I have to add some salt. So just add some salt. Be sure that the salt is soaked onto the meat so it tastes really good. So in the side and on the other side, on the skin I have to add some vinegar. Just rub the vinegar. The other one also, just rub it. And of course, another salt. Rub the salt on it. So now it's ready to put in the oven. This is very easy. You just add salt and vinegar. So this is ready for the oven. So the first 1 hour, I have to put 150 degrees. First, I have to put our meat in here. Okay. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, so this is ready, 150 Celsius, and this one, so it's about 1 hour. So we'll see after 1 hour. After 1 hour, so this is the result. Did you see that? Okay, so I have to wipe some oil. Okay, so I have to wipe oil on the skin, so another 1 hour. You can see the line. Yeah. So we'll sit up again to 1 hour. 1 hour. And now we have to add 170 Celsius. Okay, we'll see in an hour again. And after 2 hours of grilling, so this is the result now. Yes, it's very, very yummy. See that? And it needs 1 more hour to make more yummy and crispy. So we have to put it back and then close it again. So now we need to put 220 Celsius and another 1 hour. Yeah, so we'll see again. So after 2.5 hours, this is the result. It's almost done. So there's another 30 minutes more and it will be very crispy and it's ready to eat. So we'll see in about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's cooked now and look at that. Look at that. It's bubbles there. Yeah. This is my first time cooking. It's really smell good. But now I try it. Look. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's very look delicious. You see that? So yummy. Oh yeah. Look how crispy it is. My goodness. Very nice. Very tasty. It tastes really good. Very crispy. So this is our food now. And I mix some vegetable and fruits. So we're going to eat now.
Call this one?
Lechon belly. The skin that is very crispy because I make it more hotter. The top one.
Wow, it's like chicharron.
This is what I like.
Pig's belly.
That's it.
That's it. You eat.
I don't need to buy. I can make my own. Thank you.
Try your own, yeah?
No, I eat with my hands.
Wow! With your hand.
I'm very happy that I can make this one, you know? 3 hours, exactly 3 hours. Tapos kamay.
Okay. Siguro na po.
Pop!
You hear that?
Di ba?
Lovely. Crispy, the crispy.
It's only salt, and for the skin, I put some vinegar.
Lechon.
Diba? The last 10 minutes, I put higher the hot one on the top. That's why it's like chicharon. Because I like the crispy.
Sarap ng nung balat niya.
Wow. Tapos malutong na malutong. No, kumain kami magkamay. Tapos bukas tataba na kami.
TikTok pa mamaya.
TikTokan namin ng madami mamaya. Yung sila, parang tawag na, chicharon. Ang dami mong soy.
Ibalo, pagkaganyan, yung mga ngalat na mga tunog-tunog yan.
Si Balo naghintay sa baba. Parang chicharon.
Dilig mo yun.
TikTok mamaya ng madami. Kasi kain ng madaming fat. Nakatiktok na kaya ako 4, oh?
Wala.
3 lang yung pinos ko.
Touch ko lang
Naumay ka?
Hindi.
Natawa talaga ako. Bakit siya lumubo? Okay lang, chicharon eh. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.